Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level past paper. Today we shall discuss question number 2 of paper 6 probability and statistics session October number 2018. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word my Topper student. You will find the channel my Topper student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Today in paper 6 probability and statistics question number 2, the statement is the following back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows the reaction times in second in an experiment involving two groups of people A and B. On the left hand side there is a A group and on the B side, right side, there is a B group. Key is 5:22:6 means that reaction time is 0:225. 0:225 means for the middle value we write 0.22. After that we shall, for the left hand side we shall write 5 and for the right hand side we shall write 0.226. The method for writing the value. Find the median and the interquartile range for group A. Now we will find the median and interquartile range for group A, for this group. In the first row, in this row there are the 4 items, in the second row there are the 5 items, in the third row there are the 8 items, and so on. So in the solution section, first of all we shall find the median and the interquartile range. Group A has 27 terms and median will be the midterm of the data. In order to calculate the midterm of the formula, we have the formula 27 plus 1 over 2, the 24th term, 1/4 term, 14th term for this. Because if we calculate for the group A, we come to know that there are 27 terms, 4, 5, 8 and so on. After add up, we come to know that the total terms are 27. So the 14th term is, in this case, it is given that the data of the group A, first row has 4 terms, second row has 5 terms, the third row has 8 terms. So the midterm will lie in the third row, which is 14 terms is equal to 0.225. 0.22. 4 term, after that 5 term, 4, 5 means 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14. This is the 14th term. So we shall write 0.225 for the midterm, mid value, as we have written here. After that, midterm is denoted by Q2. So 0.225 is equal to Q2. In order to calculate the interquartile range, we shall calculate the lower quartile range and upper quartile range. Lower quartile range is the value of the 7th term because it is the quarter value. 0.215, so the lower quartile is Q1 0.215. Upper quartile range is the mid value of the terms of from 15 to 27, which is equal to 21st term, and the 21st term is equal to 21st term value is equal to 0.236. 0.236 here, 236 in this row. After that, calculating the interquartile range, we know that the formula for the interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. After simplification, we get interquartile range is equal to 0.021. For the part second, the median value for group B is 0.235 second, the lower quartile is 0.217 second, and the upper quartile range is 0.245 second. Draw back and whisker plots for the graph A and B on the grid. So now we shall draw the whisker block on the grid. So in this case, the given data for the group B is median is equal to 0.235 as given in the question statement. Lower quartile is 0.217 and upper quartile is 0.245. Box and whisker diagram, we know that for the box and whisker diagram, this is the according to the scale as given in the bottom. This is the lower quartile, this is the median value, and this is the upper quartile. Similarly, for group B, this is the lower quartile, this is the median value, and this is the upper quartile. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.